The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Me there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. Just letting you know about a few things. Now, I got information that the Commissioner of Police within the country of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Anthony Anderson, said that a number of police officers from within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, who can be seen in at least one video posted on social media in full uniforms, holding on to guns and lip-syncing to a song, are facing disciplinary actions. Now, here's the video that I saw on social media. I'm not sure if the video is an edited video or not. You see me? And for copyright reasons, I cannot present the audio of the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? But I'm just letting you know about the situation. You can let me know what you think about the situation and the video that is being talked about on social media. And please bear in mind that there are more information about this whole situation. Alright? And I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person. And in the video, the person talked about the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness. Many comments have been made about the video on social media. Some of those comments gave me the understanding that some persons on social media are saying that the person threatened the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness. Some of those comments gave me the understanding that some persons on social media are saying that the person disrespected the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, and other things have been said on social media about the video. Alright? Now, I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can take a look at the video for yourself and you can hear the things that have been said in the video. This video is going to show a person with the face covered, or you could say that the person somewhat masked up. Some persons might say the person masked up, is it? And I want you to please bear in mind that the things that have been said in this video, they are not the views nor the opinions of Dancehall Skilla. I am presenting the video to you because the video is being talked about on social media, and you can also let me know what you think about the things that have been shown and said in the video. Alright? Now, please bear in mind that some harsh languages have been used in this video. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Observe.
Yeah, Mr. Boy, your Honorable Prime Minister. Boy, your name Honorable Andrew Holness. Yeah, your name Andrew and Hole. You're full of hole. And you're Andrews. Coming like dangerous in a people's head. But here we go on now. We're going to get rid of you. Whether by the hook or the crook. Any means necessary. Here Marcus Garvey say, head I go roll down King Street. And the guns them in the east, to the west, to the north, and to the south must unite, and the whole place shall be a matches box, because uno create it. You hear me? I tell you no. You know, long uno a go on and a come around and a kill off ghetto youth, and I do all kind of neckery when uno set on the system them way there. Now you come with no foolishness about lockdown and COVID and mask. Well, see a mask, you fool. You know them mask, yeah? Uno no intelligence agents, uno know them mask, yeah? I don't know them, you know. I don't know, so we are not play warrior in our earth, you know. We they are learn and I go on. You see me, I say, harness the powers them. You see me? Because we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in a high and low places right now. You see me? And we are going to weep on out, whether by the hook or the crook, in the name of Yahweh Elohim, in the name of Yahweh Elan, in the name of Yahweh Yeshua. CTL, Amalekai, Saboete, Ishmael, Gabriel, we call upon the archangels them and we call upon the warriors them. We call upon one of them stand strong now. You will just say, and call upon the youth, because the youths are strong. And you see what Babylon I do now? Him want to come implementing things upon we youths them. Boy, I come mandatory about vaccines for we little youth them and a poison them want to come poison for one nation of people. And this you can sell out to people, them go sell out yourself, boy, and your picnic and your woman, your thinking woman. You see me, I say go sell out on yourself and love ghetto youth them and love poor people and love the youth them. If you don't have anything good for give you repatriation. You see me? You go to England, go make Queen of England night them too. You You have to talk to them about repatriation and recompensation, because all them give is death and hell over the years, you know. For all of the things them what we do in a boy. You see me, and we build that, you know. Anywhere you go in the world, you know, you go anywhere in the world and ask nobody if them know your boy, them not know you. You hear me? Nobody not know who you is. You see me, I say. When you go anywhere in the world and you ask nobody about the reggae music and Rasta then talk about, you see me? And the culture, and you can go on like you want to turn people in a vulture, boy. I love people them done a vulture already, because anyway they turn, and then see them black brother and sister them I see, and a hand, if you try to get ahead and them still not get ahead, I want to know, you better change up on folly grounds, you know. You hear me? I tell you, better change up on folly grounds, you hear? Because it now go so. You hear me? I tell you, nothing shall go unpunished. No wrongs. You hear me? Remember that. We are live peaceful in a earth long time, you know. And we born peaceful, you know. But we don't want no dirty, corrupted system. You see me? I say, you think so we are going to go on forever and go sleep and fall over? The little fool them can fall over to you, but no, everybody are going to fall over to you know, boy. Everything even take 10 away. You see me? We are going to tear you down. Remember, because we there learn strategies. You hear me? Just like how no teach on no police and no soldier on no special force we no have. Yeah man, come with no special force, because we have special things for no blood clot to you hear. We have special things for no. Actually the youth them now taking learning. The youth them have cell phone and they on cell phone with be a fart and giggle. You see me? When them fi start study certain things. You see me? Or fi mashing up. You know about the cookbook. Yeah man, we are the cookbook for no, you hear? Remember that you hear fools. You see all them little police boy they were down there and could make you a puppet them and them a disadvantage them own people. Remember man, when the time started, I take off on the uniform and try run go hide in a boy, but we know no already. You hear me? We know uno already. Uno can't hide. You hear me? There's nowhere to run. There's nowhere to hide for all the wickedness uno do. From uno judgment uno can't hide. You hear? Remember that. And a word, sound and power, because uno put with people under spell. You see me? And the people them not overstand the word is spell. And every word you have to spell it. So we are putting on under spell too. You see me? With word, sound and power. Remember that every day we write your name in the dirt. You hear boy, because we have a ton dirt. Remember that. Because we are start from the higher supreme powers. You see me? I know not doing a little witchcraft things, you know. And a little vampire them wanna have down a Jamaica there in the mountains them. And a kidnap people, picnic car, go give them for blood clot sacrifice and do no fuckery to them. Remember, we know. You hear me? We know all on a blood bank all over the world who are supply these vampire with blood. We know. You think we don't know no secrets? You think we don't know no? All on go pedophile off like a picnic all on about prime ministers and presidents and we come talk about say we some governors. You think we don't know no? Be a nastiness and go on with it no. Be a nastiness and then come on TV and come in front of people, come smile up like so we some nice people. We not nice. We is not nice. You hear me? Remember me tell you man, but what? We do your phone man. You see me? Call upon their warriors them in Allah bar. That beer. Call upon the warriors them you hear. Remember.
My people, this sounds serious. No, this sounds really serious. You see me I say? Yeah man, it sounds serious to me. You see? What do you think about the video, viewers and subscribers? What do you think about the things that the person said in the video? You see me, Dancehall Skilla, I don't take any words that come from someone's mouth lightly. Especially if it's a threat or warning. You see me I say? Yeah. Anyways, yes, I'm gonna leave it. Viewers and subscribers, just to let you know about a few things. You can let me know what you think about the things that I talked about in this video. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.